Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or anything important? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution, bringing peace of mind right to your pocket. Its standout feature, precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology, lets you locate misplaced items with astonishing accuracy, guiding you right to them with haptic feedback and visual cues on your iPhone. This isn't just any Bluetooth tracker. It leverages the massive Find My network, so even if your item is far away, millions of Apple devices can help pinpoint its location securely and privately. Setting up your new AirTags is incredibly simple. A quick one-tap setup instantly pairs them with your iPhone, getting you started in seconds. And don't worry about splashes or dust. These trackers are IP67 water and dust resistant, making them perfect for attaching to kids, backpacks, or even your pet's collar. If you're ready to stop the frantic search for lost valuables, click the link in the description below to grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon. What truly makes the AirTag special is its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem, working effortlessly with your existing devices. Imagine never having to retrace your steps endlessly again. These smart trackers provide an intelligent, proactive way to keep track of your most important belongings. Don't miss out on this fantastic piece of tech that reviewers are calling a must-have for anyone seeking the best electronics of 2025. For unparalleled item tracking and complete peace of mind, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute top recommendation for anyone looking to invest in smart, reliable solutions.